Hello everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about World Environment Day, World Food Safety Day and World Oceans Day. First, we are going to discuss about World Environment Day. It is one of the biggest events celebrated world every year. It has been seen that during this COVID-19 pandemic lockdown, the environment gets benefited slightly, the sky becomes clear and the air is less polluted. With this overview, let us start with our presentation that will cover history, objectives and themes used for the celebration of these days.
World Environment Day celebrated annually on 5th June. United Nations Environment Programme UNEP announced that Colombia will be hosting World Environment Day 2020 in partnership with Germany with the theme of biodiversity. World Environment Day 2020 is widely celebrated in more than 143 countries. Knowing the way to protect the environment is really important. First point, we are going to see objectives behind celebrating World Environment Day. First objective, World Environment Day is celebrated to spread awareness among common people about the issues of the environment. Second objective, encourage common people from different society and communities to actively participate in the celebration, as well as become an active agent in developing environmental safety measures. Third objective, encourage people to make their nearby surrounding safe and clean to enjoy safer, cleaner and more prosperous future. Let us have a look on history. In 1972, the first major conference on environmental issue was held at Stockholm, Sweden. That conference was known as the Conference on the Human Environment or Stockholm Conference. In 1974, with the theme of Only One Earth, the first World Environment Day was held in United States. In 1987, United Nations Environment Day was celebrated at the headquarters in Nairobi, Kenya by presenting the first of its global 500 awards to environmental champions, including Wangari Maathai. What are the major issues that world facing today? They are ozone depletion, global warming, disposing of waste, biodiversity loss, desertification, deforestation. These major issues world facing today. In 2018, India hosted World Environment Day with a theme Beat Plastic Pollution and committed to ban plastic by 2022. On this day, around 6,000 people gathered at Warsaw Beach in Mumbai to join United Nations Environment Champion of the Earth, his name is Afroz Shah, in a beach to clean up and collect over 90,000 kg of plastic. In 2019, China hosted World Environmental Day with theme Beating Air Pollution. As I said earlier, 2020 means this year Colombia hosting World Environment Day with the theme of biodiversity. Let us see biodiversity and its connection to humans. Biodiversity is the foundation that supports all life on land and below water. It affects every aspect of human health, providing clean air and water, nutritious food, scientific understanding and medicinal sources, natural disease resistance and climate change mitigation. Changing or removing one element of this web affects the entire life system and can produce negative consequences. Human actions including deforestation, encroachment on wild habits, intensified agriculture and acceleration of climate change have pushed nature beyond its limit. It would take 1.6 Earths to meet the demands that humans make of nature each year. If we continue on this path, biodiversity loss will have severe implications for humanity, including the collapse of food and health issues. The emergence of COVID-19 has underscored the fact that when we destroy biodiversity, we destroy the system that supports human life. Today, it is estimated that globally about 1 billion causes of illness and millions of deaths occur every year from diseases caused by coronaviruses. And about 75% of all emerging infectious diseases in human are zoonotic, meaning that they are transmitted to people by animals. We have to be very careful because nature is sending us a message. Small changes can make big difference. Let us plant a tree. Save environment. Moving to the next World Day, that is nothing but World Food Safety Day. It was first celebrated on 7 June 2019. Hence, this is the second year of observance of World Food Safety Day, 7 June 2020. Food safety is a global concern that covers a variety of different areas of everyday life. Food safety refers to handling, preparing and storing foods in a way to best reduce the risk of individuals become sick from foodborne illnesses. The theme used for World Food Safety Day is Food Safety, Everyone's Business. Under this theme, WHO, in collaboration with United Nations FAO, that is nothing but Food and Agriculture Organization, will provide global food safety awareness and call upon countries and decision makers, the private sector, civil society, United Nations organizations and the general public to take action. Some of the key facts that we need to understand are: access to sufficient amount of safe and nutritious food is key to sustaining life and promoting good health. Unsafe food containing harmful bacteria, viruses, parasites or chemical substances causes more than 200 diseases ranging from diarrhea to cancer. An estimated 600 million, almost 1 in 10 people in the world fall ill after eating contaminated food, and 4,20,000 die every year, resulting in the loss of 33 million healthy life years. Children under 5 years of age carry 40% of the foodborne disease burden, with 1,25,000 deaths every year. Diarrheal disease are the most common illness resulting from the consumption of contaminated food, causing 550 million people to fall ill and 2,30,000 deaths every year. Foodborne diseases impede socio-economic development by straining healthcare systems and harming national economies, tourism and trade. Food supply chains now cross multiple national borders. Good collaboration between governments, producers and consumers helps ensure food safety. WHO has given 5 keys to safer food are: first, keep clean; second, separate raw and cooked foods; third, cook thoroughly; fourth, keep food at safe temperature; fifth, use safe water and safe raw materials. Some of the other points that we need to understand are: food will be safe indefinitely at 0 degree Fahrenheit, though the quality will decrease the longer it is in the freezer. Keep your refrigerator at 40 degree Fahrenheit or below. Washing increases the danger of cross-contamination by spreading bacteria present on the surface of meat and poultry to nearby ready-to-eat foods, kitchen utensils and counter surfaces. Cooking meat and poultry to the recommended internal will make them safe to eat. Use leftovers within 3 to 4 days. Discard any food left at room temperature for more than 2 hours or 1 hour if the temperature is above 90 degree Fahrenheit. Place food in shallow container and refrigerate at 40 degree Fahrenheit or lower, or else freeze at 0 degree Fahrenheit or lower. Frozen leftovers will taste best and be at best quality if eaten within about 3 months. Store eggs in the original carton in the coldest part of the refrigerator, but not on the door, when they are more susceptible to temperature changes as the door opens and closes. Moving to the last part of presentation, which is going to cover facts about World Oceans Day. It is celebrated annually on the 8th of June. The concept was originally proposed in 1992 by Canada's International Centre for Ocean Development (ICOD) and the Ocean Institute of Canada (OIC) at the Earth Summit United Nations Conference on Environment and Development (UNCED) in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. World Oceans Day was officially organized by the United Nations in 2008. The ocean is the heart of our planet. Like our heart pumping blood to every part of our body, the ocean connects people across the earth, no matter where we live. The ocean regulates the climate, feeds millions of people every year, produces oxygen, is the home to the incredible array of wildlife, provides us with important medicines and so much more. In order to ensure the health and safety of our communities and future generations, it is imperative that we take the responsibilities to care for the ocean as it cares for us. Why do we celebrate World Oceans Day? To remind everyone of the major role the ocean have in everyday life. They are the lungs of our planet, providing most of the oxygen we breathe. To inform the public of the impact of human actions on the ocean. To develop a worldwide movement of citizens for the ocean. To mobilize and unite the world population on the project for the sustainable management of the world's ocean. They are a major source of food and medicines and a critical part of the biosphere. To celebrate together the beauty, the wealth and the promise of the ocean. In this slide, I have given the theme used to celebrate World Oceans Day from 2009 to 2020. In 2009, theme was Our Oceans, Our Responsibilities. In this year 2020, the theme is Innovation for a Sustainable Ocean. This is the end of my presentation and I hope you enjoyed this presentation. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you everyone for watching this video.